Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from WorldRemit to GCash. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So I'm going to be guiding you through the steps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. And here we go. So what you're going to do is, first thing first, you have to simply access your GCash app. Go ahead, open it up and log in right over there. Once you have done that, you're going to go to the section of cash in. Once you have tap on the cash in, you're going to select the global partners and remittance. Once you have done that, you're going to simply navigate to online remittance claim and select WorldRemit. Once you have done that, you simply have to follow the on-screen prompts which are required for you to provide your WorldRemit account information. Go ahead, provide the WorldRemit accounts information and tap on the confirm. Once you have done that and added the information including the money as well, your transaction has been done. You can ask your receiver to check out their particular WorldRemit account, whether they have received the money or not, or you can also check out your own account if you have done the transaction to yourself. That's basically how we do. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.